My next question, I get asked this on every show, and I'm so excited to hear other actors' perspective on it. So you guys please tell me, I'll start with Sarah again. What is your process in choosing a script? How do you say yes? Because आप दोनों कम दिखते हैं, लेकिन जब दिखते हैं बहुत अच्छे दिखते हैं.
Thank you. I think it really depends on what frame of mind I'm in at that time.
Okay.
And some roles at that time would really appeal to me, and other roles I wouldn't even be able, I wouldn't even be able to imagine myself playing them. So a certain character would really click well at that time. You know, at a different time, I'm probably feeling emotions, but I'm at a different stage, and I'm not able, like, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So a different character makes sense to me. It depends on where I'm at in my head.
I've never thought about it that way, and that's genius. Because उससे तो acting थोड़ी फिर आसान हो जाए ना, आप किस mental state में और फिर उसमें जाना. Because वाकई में अगर आप कोई traumatic role play कर रहे हैं, आपकी जिंदगी में trauma है, तो it's easier to play that role. That's genius. I will take advice.
And I also feel that as you age and you experience life more, you're able to play roles better because there's, you've felt those emotions.
Yes.
And so you can emote them better.
Experience.
Yes.
Absolutely. I completely agree. It's so much easier now.
Yes.
Yes. What about you, Bilal?
I think for me, it's a mix. The very first thing is I need to feel the role. I mean, if I feel it, if I like it, if I have a positive feeling towards a particular role, of course, then there's an interest towards that particular character. And the second thing is obviously the team, who's directing. That's a huge thing because I feel, of course, the writer as well. Because I feel a good director can make an average script and take it and make it amazing. And sometimes the director might not be able to do justice to a good script.
Yes.
So it really, that's why, I mean, directors...
team is really important.
Yeah. Absolutely, I agree.
So
it is. And you guys are very selective with your teams. With who do you work with the same people again and again? Would you say?
No, not necessarily. I've always worked with directors who direct me for the first time.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's always been the case with me somehow. So
really?
So I don't mind trusting new people. But yeah, there's obviously वो जब आप बातचीत होती है तो पता चल जाता है कि कौन कहाँ है.
So Sarah, when you do take a break from acting for a couple of years, जब आप screen पे हमें नहीं नजर आ रही होती, तो आप क्या कर रही हो?
So when I'm not acting, what I mainly do is focus on my daughter because she has a life and which I have to manage. So it's very time consuming. But I've also been, since the past couple of years, I've been working on a couple of things of my own.
Acha, can we know what?
So I'm working on.
You want to say?
No, I don't.
No hints.
I'm gonna wait till it just happens because I believe पहले से नहीं बोलना चाहिए.
Is it music? I actually know. I'm not gonna say, but I'm very excited for you.
Yeah.
Acha, and being a mother is full
so
time.
That's what I do. Well, and that's what you can do. You can just use your brain to come up with things and.
And you're an artist, so you're always thinking.
Exactly.
Okay, what about you, Bilal?
Well, I think if I have taken a break, it's probably spending time with family. And at the same time, obviously, spending time behind the camera on a little production house that I have with Ehtisham Bhai.
What's it called?
Beehive Transmedia.
Achha.
So we've been working on, I was telling Sarah this, we've been working on a bunch of scripts for the last, since COVID. And now I think since they're ready, we are going to now take them into production. We're working on one project, which is a series and a film. So let's see how that pans out. But so कुछ ना कुछ चल ही रहा होता है कि break में भी,
आप लोग routine में रहते हैं जब आप break में होते हैं? Like do you wake up early and वो सारी नहीं?
So I wake up early regardless. So
no, I've always been I've always been an owl in that sense. I always slept late, always woken up late. I don't know how I went to school, but now even by the way, school duties, because I have school duties.
Yes.
Because of my daughter. So wo bhi literally, I told her dad, I was like, I can't wake up in the morning. You're taking her to school.
So did you do pick and drops?
I did for a year or two, and I was like, I cannot do this.
At least you're honest.
Yeah,
I love it.